Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Baucom,
And I'm Rachel Owens.
and we're here today with North Carolina Cooperative Extension at the Union County Ag Center, and we want to talk to you about your 4-H garden kits.
So as you get ready to plant your plants, you may notice they are in these little peat pots. So these peat pots are biodegradable, so there's no need to remove the plants from them. The roots will grow right through them. So you can just simply place them down in your soil. You'll create a little bit of a depression, set your plant down in there, and then kind of fill in the hole with some extra soil. You're going to want to plant your tomato plant a little bit deeper than your other two plants. And the reason why is this plant is going to get a lot bigger than the other two and have some heavier fruit. So this plant has the ability to create roots from the stem. So you're going to want to make sure that you've got it buried a little bit deeper so it can have that support. Our other two plants, our basil and our pepper, we don't have to plant them quite as deep. You'll just plant them to where they are level with the soil line.